Are you looking for the best drones? In this video, we will look at some of the best drones the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DJI Mini4 Pro. The DJI Mini4 Pro is the most capable ultralight drone on the market. It weighs just 249 g with its standard battery, good for around 34 minutes of flight time, so you don't have to register it with the FAA. Creators who don't mind forms and fees should opt for the extended life battery, however, which pushes flights beyond 45 minutes. Full 360-degree obstacle avoidance, automated flight modes, and a quad-Bayer camera with 4K 60 HDR video round out the feature set. We especially like the A2S function, which helps the drone navigate through complex spaces all by itself, even at low altitudes. If you've looked at the Mini 3 and wanted a bit more, the Mini 4 Pro is a sensible step-up option. Drone enthusiasts, cinematographers looking to add a B camera for aerials, and creators who don't mind spending a bit more for smart obstacle avoidance should find the Mini 4 Pro to be a worthwhile upgrade. It's also a good match for TikTok influencers because it supports vertical 9:16 video. Under 249 g, no registration is required. 1. Travel light and skip registration for a user-friendly, easy-to-carry experience on all your journeys. Enjoy the fun of flying without the tedious application process and waiting time. Unleash stunning vertical videos in 4K/60 FPS HDR, perfectly showcases sunrise, sunset, and night scenes with impressive clarity. Share videos instantly without the need for post-cutting. Enjoy high-quality footage straight out of the camera. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing for enhanced safety with precise detection capabilities in all directions. You can fly with confidence, knowing that the drone will better detect obstacles. Worry less about collisions when flying, even first-time users. Number 2. DJI Mini2SE. The DJI Mini2SE is the best drone you can get for less than $350. It sports a stabilized 2.7K video camera that snaps 12MP photos, and also includes GPS and Find My Drone functions. Its 249 g takeoff weight means you can fly it without dealing with FAA registration, you just need to pass an online knowledge test. We also like the Mini2SE's nearly half-hour flight times, stable performance at its 400-foot altitude limit, and reliable connection to the required smartphone app. We just wish DJI had managed to build in obstacle detection sensors. The Mini2SE is the drone to get if you're just starting out and want to record ultra-smooth 2.7K 30 footage from the air. RAW format imaging is also available for fatigs who like to post-process. Lightweight and portable, the drone is lightweight and compact, weighing less than 249 grams. It's perfect for taking on hikes, road trips, and other adventures, allowing you to capture stunning aerial moments from above wherever you go. Beginner-friendly with simplified operations, the drone is easy to learn and master quickly, making it ideal for beginners. It has a return-to-home function for added safety, ensuring a worry-free flying experience. Extended flight time, enjoy longer flights with DJI Mini2SE, which offers a 31-minute max flight time. Combo offers 2 additional intelligent flight batteries, 3 in total, for up to 93 minutes of total flight time. Explore and create more. Number 3. DJI Air2S. The DJI Air2S has a camera with an oversized Type 1, also called 1-inch, sensor for much better 20MP stills than you can get from the DJI Mini series drones. It supports 5.4K 30 and 4K 60 video with HDR, flat, or standard profiles, plus it can snap photos in RAW or JPG format. DJI's strong safety features are here too, including GPS location, obstacle sensors, ADS-B to warn you of nearby manned aircraft, and a 30-minute battery. The Air2S is a compelling drone for stills-first creators. The Type 1 sensor may lag behind quad-Bayer chips in pixel count, but captures a wider dynamic range, so fatigs have more leeway for edits to exposure. Video pros should appreciate the 5.4K resolution and choice of 3 profiles too, but you may want to step up to a Mavic 3 for more serious cinema work. keep in mind that you must register this drone with the FAA. 1-inch image sensor equipped with a 1-inch image sensor and large 2.4 micrometers pixels, DJI Air2S is capable of 5.4K/30 fps and 4K/60 fps video. Operating temperature range 0 degree to 40 degrees Celsius, 32 degrees to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. MasterShots, the next evolution of QuickShots. MasterShots is an advanced intelligent feature that gives users the best shots in any location with just a tap. Number 4. DJI Air 3. The DJI Air 3 puts both a 24mm wide-angle and 70mm mid-telephoto lens on its gimbal-stabilized camera, giving pilots lots of creative options. Its 360-degree obstacle avoidance system is a boost for automated camera moves and follow-me flights, and makes the drone all but crash-proof for manual flight. Long battery life, sharp 4K video, and good still image quality complete the package. If you think the DJI Mini4 Pro single camera is too limiting but don't want to spend a huge amount on the Mavic 3 Pro, the Air 3 is the in-between drone to get. It matches the Mini4 Pro's main camera in picture quality, so the second camera is the main reasons to upgrade. Capture breathtaking, immersive shots. DJI Air 3's dual cameras offer creative focal length options ideal for travel photography. Show off stunning environments and tell captivating stories through your lens. Seize every moment, enjoy up to 46 minutes of flight time, a 48% increase compared to DJI Air2S. Captures satisfying photos without worrying about battery life. Enhanced safety, worry-free flying. Fly confidently with Air 3's omnidirectional obstacle sensing. It ensures comprehensive protection even in challenging environments like forests. Stunning 48MP images for high-quality crops. Air 3 captures impressive 48MP images, allowing for remarkable crops. Even quickly snapped travel photos can be cropped to reveal surprising details. Immersive footage with rich details. Record stunning 4K/60 fps HDR videos with the dual cameras. Experience breathtaking visuals with vibrant colors and lifelike details. Stable O4 HD transmission for smooth flights. The 6-antenna array significantly improves video transmission. Enjoy a stable 1080p/60 fps live feed up to 20 kilometers, ensuring smooth flights with clear and reliable transmission. DJI Air 3, DJI RCN2, is the standard option and includes the drone, DJI RCN2 remote controller, one intelligent flight battery, and other items needed for flight. With DJI Goggles Integra, DJI Goggles 2, and DJI RC Motion 2, Air 3 is primed to give you an exhilarating first-person flight experience. Number 5. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro's Big 4/3 format sensor with a Hasselblad color profile delivers class-leading footage and stills straight out of the camera. All-around obstacle sensors allow the drone to easily bypass obstructions, and integrated GPS keeps it steady in the air, and 35-minute flying times, in testing, make for safer flights. Film producers can upgrade to the ProCine $4,799 edition to get a 1TB SSD, ProRes 422 video support, and the RC Pro remote, while anyone on a budget can opt for the $1,599 Classic Edition, which drops the telephoto cameras and internal storage. The Mavic 3 Pro is ideal for cinematographers, indie filmmakers, vloggers, and other creative professionals. It's heavy enough to require FAA registration and you need an operator's license to use it for paid projects, but it's still easy to bring along for location work.